Hello, I hope you all are doing well. I was asked to talk about the MySQL notes I sent you. I'm going to assume that you have downloaded MySQL. By the way, you're supposed to pronounce it MySQL and not MySQL. I just discovered that. I have gone into the browser and I brought up the second of the two URLs I sent you in my notes. This is the URL that will allow you to download the sample database. You're going to download it. I would say you save it to wherever you feel like saving it. Now, I had a copy there already. I had to write over it. And then don't open it. Do an open folder. Because the next step you have to do is extract all the files. You have to have an unzipper. If you don't have one, there's a note on this particular site on how to get a free one. So that's the first step. Get the sample database down so you can work with it. The next step is we will bring up the MySQL. I'm going to take the second one here. I have it here. I can make it a little bigger. Unfortunately, the part that my picture's over it. First thing you have to do is you have to type the password in that you gave when you downloaded MySQL. Mine's kind of long, so I'll manage it. I'll do it now. And that was a mistake. And that's what you should get. Now you notice that \help or help, they help. You can find out things about various things using that. And that's what I did in many cases. The first step is to bring in this particular database you downloaded. So you say use, and then the name of it is Classic Models. This is the only line I know that does not need a semicolon. It says the database has changed. If you want to see what you have, you say show databases. That does need a semicolon. And now it shows you it's got a database there. This is the customer database. And to make it easier to talk about it, I downloaded from the file I sent you the description of this database. This database has several fields. It has customer name, customer number, the last name, the first name, the phone, addresses, all kinds of things about the customers in your database. The asterisk in front of the customer number means that it's indexed by customer numbers, which makes it easier to work with. The way SQLs work, including MySQL, is that they can have queries to search for things inside the databases or the tables. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to download the customer names from the database customer. So I'm going to say select, and notice I capitalize the special words. I'm going to select. Now that line just says it wants me to keep continuing. I'm going to select customer name, and I keep going, from the table customers. And if I hit enter, that shows you just the names from the customer column in the table. So look at that again. The select word says, I'm asking a question. The next thing you put is what you want. In this case, I wanted a particular field inside customers. Then you have to tell where you're taking it from. I'm taking it from the table customers. Now, in the handout I've sent you, or the information I sent you, is the list of all the tables and all the fields in them.